Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet elf hat brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 box of a red velvet cake mix, any kind that you like, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of butter, and we are going to melt that. I already melted mine in the microwave, so that is 1.5 sticks, a 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, and then vanilla or cream cheese frosting to decorate. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and then line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper with overhangs for easy removal. All right, next we are just going to, in a large bowl, mix our melted butter, our cake mix, egg, and our water. And just beat that with an electric mixer until it is combined. All right, that is nice and combined. So now we are going to fold in our chocolate chips. All right, now let's go ahead and pour this into our prepared pan. All right, my brownie batter is ready to go into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, my brownies just came out of the oven, so we are going to let them cool completely before we remove them and cut them into our elf hat shapes. All right, my brownies all cooled off, so I removed them using my overhangs, and I just used the sharp kitchen knife. And you're going to have scraps, and that's okay because scraps are good for eating. But you should be able to get 12 to 15 depending on how big you cut yours. I made mine kind of narrow because I just thought that would look cute for an elf. So now I put my frosting in a Ziploc bag, and I am going to cut off the end and pipe on little balls on the edges and on the top. All right, my little elf hats are all finished, and they look so cute. You just pipe that frosting on however you want. There's no right or wrong way to do it, and they just turned out so cute. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.